Welcome to Nagas or Delicious. In today's video, we're going to see the preparation of Kai Kootu, or otherwise 7 vegetables stew or 7 vegetables combo. So this is a very healthy and nutritious dish. Let us look into the vegetables required. White pumpkin 1 cup, unripe banana 1 cup, potato 1 cup, sweet potato 1 cup, yellow pumpkin 1 cup, broad beans 1 cup, carrot 1 cup. So these are the 7 vegetables that we are going to use in the preparation today. Set a pressure pan on a moderate flame and add half a cup of water. Transfer the vegetables into the pressure pan. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Now in a separate frying pan, take chana dal 2 tablespoons, red chilies 5 numbers, fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon, pepper 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, urid dal 2 teaspoons, groundnut 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds half a teaspoon, Now dry roast all the ingredients in a moderate flame. So we have to dry roast it till the urid dal and the chana dal turn into golden brown. So that is the reference point for us. So this dry roasting has to be carried out till we obtain the golden brown color of the dal. Yes, we can see that the dal has turned into golden brown. Now at this point, let us add 1 cup of grated coconut and roast the ingredients gently till the coconut loses its moisture. So once the coconut roasting is done, transfer the contents into a blender and blend well. So this is the consistency that is obtained after grinding and also the required consistency. And now after the steam settles in the pressure pan, open the pressure pan and check gently if the vegetables are cooked well. Ensure that in the process of mixing, the vegetables should not be mashed. So now we have to add the ground gravy to the steamed vegetables. So now this entire process is carried out in a moderate flame. So the coconut and the chana dal, they give the required consistency to the stew after it's being prepared. So after transferring the gravy, add 1 tablespoon of the rock salt. If you want, you can add a little more, but I feel this is sufficient for the entire stew. And now mix gently and ensure that the vegetables don't get mashed. Add 2 cups of water for the required consistency. Mix it gently and allow to boil. Yes, now we can observe that the stew is completely boiling. So now let us look into the seasoning step. Take a separate pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, a handful of curry leaves, and once the seasoning is done, transfer the seasoning to the stew. Transfer the entire contents to a serving bowl and garnish with coriander leaves. So the healthy, nutritious Elukai Kuttu is ready. This is a wholesome dish which can be served with rice, chapati, idli, dosa, sandwich, variety rice, almost all the main dishes. So it's an excellent combination. So here in the serving suggestion, I have depicted the Arudra Kali. Elukai Kuttu is a traditional preparation during Arudra and Pongal. So hope you like the wholesome nutritious preparation of the Elukai Kuttu. Please try it, and if you get it well, let me know in the comment section. So we'll meet you in the next video with more such interesting recipes. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, and thanks for watching Naga's Odalicious.